If you're still saving money like your grandparents did, you're falling behind. Inflation is eating your savings, banks are giving you crumbs, and the rich, they're playing a whole different game. Want to stick around? Hey, welcome back to the channel where we break the rules of money to build real wealth. Today, I'm going to tell you why saving money is actually making you poorer, and what you should be doing instead. Let's talk about the old school advice. Save your money, put it in the bank, and you'll be fine. That worked in the 1950s, but today, your savings lose value every year thanks to inflation. The average savings account gives you less than 1% interest. Meanwhile, prices are rising 3–6% annually. You're literally losing money by doing nothing. The wealthy don't save. They invest. They put their money into assets that grow. Stocks, real estate, businesses. They use leverage, tax strategies, and compound growth. Saving is safe, but safety doesn't build wealth. Risk, when educated, does. Instead of saving, build an emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses, and invest the rest. Start with index funds, learn about real estate, or even start a side hustle. Your money should be working harder than you do. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your money strategy in 2025? Let's build wealth together.